When deploying the NetQ VM appliance, to ensure proper performance and scale, we need to confirm our hypervisor host meets the VM system requirements. The NetQ VM appliance requires 8 vCPUs, 64 gigs of RAM, and a 256 gig SSD drive. The SSD may be the most important requirement, as the database service NetQ relies on is very high performance and may not start properly on a spinning disk. With an Ubuntu system in front of me, we can confirm that the underlying host has the correct resources. First, we can confirm that there is at least 64 gigs of free memory with the command free -mh. M for memory and H for human readable. The column on the right, titled Available, shows that we have 99 gigs of RAM to work with. Next, we can confirm that we have an SSD available with the command lsblk -d -o name, rota. Rota here stands for rotational, and it indicates whether or not it is a rotational disk or not. The value 0 indicates it is not rotational and thus an SSD drive. Any value other than 0 would indicate that it's a spinning disk and we would not be able to deploy the NetQ VM appliance on that drive. Finally, let's confirm that we have the required disk space on our drives. We can do this with the df-h-x tempfs command. Again, -h for human readable and -x tempfs to exclude temporary file systems. Here we have one drive with 81 gigs of free space and a second drive with 2.8 terabytes, more than enough space to host our NetQ virtual machine appliance. We are all set to spin up our NetQ appliance and get started with NetQ.